Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Samayal. Today we're going to see how to make a traditional perfect coconut milk rasam.
நம்ம சேனல்ல முதல்ல பார்க்குறவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிங்க பக்கத்திலே இருக்கிற பெல் ஐகானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அப்டேட்ஸ் வந்துடும்.
The ingredients for this recipe are thick coconut milk, tamarind small ball, small onion, tomato, green chili, garlic, curry leaves, pepper, jeera, salt and red chili. At first we should grind pepper and jeera. After that we should grind garlic with onions. You can add green chili according to your spice. Green chili is very nice for the smell of the food and it gives a nice taste. Now grind the curry leaves and keep it aside. Now add half cup tamarind water into the second coconut milk. Squeeze 1 tomato into it. You can squeeze the tomato or grind it. Now add salt according to your taste. Now we can add all the grinded ingredients and mix it. Now it's time to make the rasam. Add some coconut oil into a pan along with mustard seed. Add red chili and the grinded ingredients that we have put into the coconut milk. Fry it for 1 minute. Add turmeric powder and hing. Now fry it with low flame for another 1 minute. Now it's time to add the second coconut milk that we have mixed the tamarind water in. Now mix it well just for 2 to 3 minutes. Now at the boiling stage, add the first coconut milk and turn off the flame. Now mix it well. If you like, you can add some coriander leaves to it. You can serve this rasam with fish curry and white rice. Yummy coconut rasam is ready. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.